Hi guys! Today I am going to teach you how to make a German pancake. Okay, first thing you need to do, wash your hands. I've already done that, so I don't have to do that right now, but you need to before you do any recipes. Okay, gather your ingredients and your utensils. You're going to need a mixing bowl, a mixer with the mixers that go with it. You're going to need an eighth of a teaspoon. You're going to need a teaspoon, a 1 cup dry measuring cup, and hey, it didn't give me the milk. Let me see if I can find. I had it all on here, but it didn't say milk. Oh, and 1 cup of a liquid measuring cup. Okay. You're going to need a 9 by 13 inch pan, baking pan. Okay, so for your ingredients, you're going to need 6 eggs, flour, 1 cup, an eighth of a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 4 tablespoons of butter. First thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Try to see if I can do this. Okay. Egg. $425. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. While you're preheating your oven, you're going to cut 4 tablespoons of butter, and you can see the lines. I'm going to cut 4 of those and put them in your 9 by 13 baking pan. So let's do that real quick. Hopefully you can see this. I already have 4, so I'm not gonna measure it evenly, but you'll see that there are 4 there. Okay, putting it into my measuring. Okay, and then while the oven is preheating, you're gonna put the pan in the oven. Now we can go on to make our pancake. Okay, you're going to take your bowl. You're going to crack 6 eggs. I have 4 here. I need to get some more. Okay, here's how you crack eggs. The best way to do this is to crack them on a flat surface and then open the egg up. I'm going to do that 6 times. I'm going to put a cloth here so that I don't get egg all over my counter. The reason this is a good way to do this is so that you don't get little shards of egg shell in your egg. You can also do it on the side of your bowl, but there's more of a chance of there being little egg pieces in there if you do it that way. So I'm going to keep doing it this way. Okay. Wipe your hands off. Now you need 1 cup of flour. Let's do the flour. I forgot to tell you, you're also going to need a spoon and a leveler for your flour. I'm using a tablespoon because I don't have any regular spoons available. Remember, when you do flour, spoon the flour in to your cup. And then when you see a little peak at the top, you know you have enough there. You need to measure, you need to level it out with your measuring, or with your leveler, or your knife, the back of a knife. Pour that in your eggs. Okay. You need an eighth of a teaspoon. I don't know if you can see that or not, but an eighth of a teaspoon of salt. Put that in there. 1 tablespoon of vanilla. And now you're going to mix all this up with your mixer. Oh, got the wrong. No, I didn't. Whoa. Okay, hold on. My mixer's not wanting to work for me. Hold on a second. Hey. Okay, I'm having technical difficulties. Sorry about this. Okay, you're gonna put your mixer down in there. Mix it all up. Take a spatula. Oh, you know what we forgot? We forgot milk. You also need 1 cup of milk. Sorry, that wasn't on my list, but it's on the recipe. And again, I have a stand-up. I can stand up and look at this, but really what you should be doing is coming down here and looking to make sure that the milk is actually a cup, and it is a cup. So you're going to pour that into your batter. The reason I knew that I was missing the milk is because the batter was way too thick. So if your batter's too thick, you know you're missing something. Okay, let's resume. You want to mix it really, really good. You can also use a food processor if that's easier for you. That way you can just turn it on and it'll blend really quick. I don't have one, so I have to use a mixer. Okay, this is nice and mixed. I'm going to take my stuff out. It's really, really liquidy, okay? Even thinner than regular pancake batter. I'm going to take a hot pad because the pan, I have to take it out of the oven and it's hot now. And you want to make sure that your butter is completely melted. Completely melted butter. Okay. Take your bowl, pour it into the butter. Okay. Where's my hot pad? Kind of threw it around somewhere. Here's another one. Okay, another hot pad because the pan is still hot. Okay, it's in there and I'm going to put it in the oven for 20 minutes. Not seconds, minutes. So let's do that. Let's put our timer. Timer, 20 minutes. And I'm going to start. And I'll come back when this is done because the product that comes out is really neat to see. It's really puffy and just interesting. So I'll make another video in about 20 minutes to show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. Okay, thanks. See you then.